Diwali is coming, right? So we all are super excited. So today's video is Diwali special video, because in this video I'm going to sharing with you some beautiful room decoration ideas for Diwali, and it's very much easy to make, and I hope that definitely you will like it. So if you like these videos, please don't forget to click the red subscribe button and the bell icon to get the notifications whenever I will post a new video. And please give a big thumbs up and don't forget to share with your family and friends. So without wasting time, let's get started.
For the first DIY, you will need a mountboard paper or any cardboard paper. Then make any design and then at first I'm making one diya only. Now by using this diya, make another 3 pieces of diya. Take one velvet sheet. It is easily available. You will get it from any location. The base is ready. Now it's time to decorate. For decoration purpose, you can use any stone, rhinestone or any ball chain, diamond chain, anything. Okay, my decoration is complete and this is how it looks. Place your diya over it and tell me how it is looking. Without lantern, Diwali is incomplete, so it's time to make a Diwali lantern. You only need 2 A4 sheet and just for the lantern is ready. Now it's time to make the handle. To look more attractive, a colorful rhinestone.
That's good.
And yeah, your Diwali My third project is wall hanging diya stand. You will need a mount board paper or cardboard paper. For decoration, I am using here glitter foam sheet, but if you don't have, you can use normal glitter also. It's almost ready, but to complete the look here I am using white lace. It's easily available at any. Let it dry and your beautiful wall hanging diya stand is ready. अरे दिवाली है भाई, रंगोली को कैसे भूल सकते हैं. So it's time to make the rangoli. Here I am using glitter sheet rangoli. Make another 5 pieces of circles and decorate it, and it's ready. I just love this rangoli. Hope you also will like it, and thank you so much for watching.